Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you are looking at I See Jesus by Theophilus Sunday. Okay, so we are in the key of F, but I'm actually playing the key of E flat. Okay, so this song follows a simple progression which I'm about to show you right now. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be one of the first to get it. Okay, so let's dive in. The song is in, I think, 3 different parts. Okay, I'm going to take you through all of it. It goes like this.
Seated upon the throne, I see his angels ascending everywhere.
I see Jesus on the 4 chord, the Fa. Then we do the So. Then the La. Alright. So basically we know 3 chords right now: the 4, the 5, the 6. Okay, so from this chord, the 4, the 5, the 6. From here we move to the other part. We go from the 4 straight to the 5. Okay, like this. Then we wait, then we move to the 5. Okay, so let's sing it.
I see Jesus seated upon the throne. I see his angels ascending everywhere.
The first progression, 4, 5, 6. Second one, the 4 and the 5. Then the third part, we go straight to the 2.
I see his angels.
Then flat 5
This and this again.
to the 6. Alright. So I see his angels is straight to the Re. Then Z. Then La. Okay, then this is the last part I think of this particular song. Okay, so
Hallelujah, Father, to the Lamb upon the throne. Hallelujah, to the Lamb upon the throne.
so basically it goes from the 4, the 5, the 6. Okay, so the 4 is the same as the Fa, the So, and the La. So in no contest, if you are playing in contest, it will be like this.
I see Jesus seated upon the throne. I see his angels ascending everywhere. I see his angels seated this again. Hallelujah to the Lamb upon the throne. Hallelujah to the Lamb upon the throne.
So basically that's what they used to play this particular song. Okay, subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.